Do you want to be a residential plumber? Whether you want to do new construction or service, you need to watch this video because we're going to talk about it right now. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the Expert Plumber. I've been plumbing over 38 years and I have every master endorsement in the state of Texas. On this channel, I'm teaching you everything you need to know about plumbing. If you haven't been here before, please subscribe so you don't miss anything. So your two-way cleanouts and your water control valve, those are where it starts. Now really it starts out at the meter and where the tap is, but as a residential service plumber, when you come into the house, you need to know about the cleanouts, you need to know about the water shutoff. In case of an emergency, you need to know the fastest way to shut that water off. Now we've got videos that we've done where we teach homeowners how to shut the water off at the water valve box and actually at the water meter. Because to me, that is one of the most important things homeowners need to know. That way if they've got an emergency in their house, they can shut the water off quick. And that can save them tens of thousands of dollars. So guys, make sure that you know what's going on when you walk up to a house. So whether you're a new construction plumber or a service plumber, you need to know what things are. Like this ice maker box, for instance. If you are a new construction plumber, you need to know how to install it. If you're a residential service plumber and this valve is not working, you may need to know how it's roughed in, because what you're gonna have to do is find a way to get inside that wall and replace it. So these are things that you may need to know if you decide to become a plumber. So knowing what a water shutoff valve is and what a pressure reducing valve is and how they work, those are things you'll need to know either way. Remember, if you're a new construction plumber, you're going to install this. If you're a service plumber and you've got to come in and replace this valve, you need to know what it is, how it works, or the best thing that you can do to change this out to make it work right. So a gas line, installing it's easy, but trying to find out where the leaks are after the house has been here 15 or 20 years, sometimes it's nice to know what's in the walls and what you're looking for and the best way to go about that. So hot and cold water lines for a water heater. How do they rough in? Where do they go? Do they go up? Do they go down? What materials are they in the wall? And the other thing is, if it's pipe series or parallel, do you know how to fix it? Do you know how to change it? And do you know how to work on those water heaters once they're installed? The way this is laid out, we're gonna have 2 water heaters here pretty soon, and you gotta know how to work on those, install them, change them out, replace them, whatever it is that needs to be done. So what is it you wanna be good at in this trade? If you're gonna be a plumber, even if you're gonna do service work, you need to understand construction. Get out, walk through a job. Look at it and learn it and see why different plumbers put things in different. You can pretty much look at a house from the outside and look at the vents and to where they're at, look at the two-way cleanouts where they're at, and you can pretty much know how a house is roughed in before you ever walk in. But these are things as a plumber you need to know, because if you come back as a service plumber, you need to learn to look for these things as you're walking up to the house. Those will help you solve problems before you ever walk in the door. So as you can see, things have changed a little bit. Guys, no matter what kind of plumbing you want to get into, commercial, residential, new construction, service, union or non-union, make sure you do your homework. Make sure you think about how you want to spend the next 30 or 40 years of your life. Hopefully it won't take you that long to reach retirement, but if it does, make sure you're doing something that you're going to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed these videos. If so, please leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, and share the videos. There may be people out there that want to see them too. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the Expert Plumber. We'll see you on the next video if you don't get flushed.